If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today we are out to brunch at a restaurant called Age. So today I don't have the same like stick, so this is wobbly. It's kind of annoying that it's so wobbly. I'll show you guys the menu in a bit. My food is here. I got the panini, the steak panini, and he got crab cake burger.
Different. Crab cake, I never had that.
You never had crab cake? Wow, okay. But yes guys, cheers, even though you're basically done. Cheers! Clearly I got the champagne. The options were champagne, mimosa, Bellini, screwdriver, and Bloody Mary.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm 2 glasses of champagne in and it's like slowly hitting. This is the 3rd one that he just filled up. And I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna be able to finish this. Without being drunk, I'm not gonna finish it. Because I'm gonna finish it. And then I couldn't eat food because I'm stuffed. He finished his plate as always.
Thank you.
As always.
Thank you. I don't play his game, man. And we had a Philly cheesesteak. Well, I had one before coming here.
I had some wings. Like, I shouldn't be full, but I can't eat a lot at once. I can eat a lot of different meals, but I can't sit down and eat a lot at once. So that's what happened there. But yeah, this is going home with us. And this champagne, yeah, this to the end.
Another error.
You're annoying. Okay guys, so we left the restaurant and now we're about to go to Martha's Country Bakery. There's this line right here, which is way better than the last time that I was here. Last time I was here, the line was legit up the block. So just waiting to cross the streets. If they ever let us cross. Oh shit, it's not even our light. I don't want to back up. I don't want to back up. Boom, it's our light. What, sis, where were you going? It's our whole light. But yeah. Perfect. Okay. So we're waiting in line, guys. Yeah, this is way better than the last time though. The last time I was outside, it was all the way up the block.
What are you getting?
I don't know yet. I don't know yet, guys. That's the thing. Because they just have so much stuff. And I'm like, if you know me, I don't like sweet stuff. Like, I'm not a sweet eater. But their stuff is just like perfect.
Oh, you can get your bracelet clean. Boom.
I don't have it on today.
Fucker.
I know. So I have a Pandora bracelet. But I'm not wearing it today. I have on, oh, hold on. I got stuff in my hand. I can't even show y'all. Hold this piece so I can show people what I got. I have this watch that I got from like a thrift. It wasn't even a store. It was like an outside like yard sale type place. So I have this watch on, and then on this hand, oh, hold on. On this hand, I have this love bracelet that we got for $1 on the street. So I don't have on my Pandora bracelet, so I can't get it changed at the Pandora across the street. Because Pandora has free cleaning once you buy it. So can't have that, but next time that we're close to Pandora, I'll go and get it clean. It doesn't need to be clean, but since it's free for life,
there you go.
I'm gonna get it clean. Why not? So yeah.
I feel like they're gonna stop that soon.
Why would they stop it?
They might. It's just like, hey, this.
Well,
But you can always get it from somewhere, the charm from somewhere else. So they'd be like, why are we putting it on the charm?
I do that. I got my charms from other places.
There you go. So they're gonna be like, all right, we clean the other charms. They just getting the damn bracelet.
Well, then they better clean my bracelet. I got, how many charms did we get from there when you bought it? 2. He got me 2 charms. And the other charms I got from other places.
What happened again? Did you took one back? I don't remember.
No, I think you got me 3 charms originally. I think
no, 2.
Okay, he got me 2 charms. I took back 1 and I swapped it out for a different charm.
What was the original? I'm trying to think.
You got me the rose gold carriage, like the Cinderella carriage. I'll put it on the screen. Well, he got me like a rose gold carriage where it was like a silver bracelet. So I was like, rose gold, silver don't look good together to me. Personally, didn't look good. So I swapped that out for, I can't remember what charm I swapped it out for. But I swapped it out for something else. And then I've just been getting the rest of my charms from eBay because it's like $7 compared to $40. So what did you think I was gonna do?
That's true.
So yeah. But still in this line, I'll talk to you guys when we get closer to the front and you guys can see what I'm about to get that I don't need because I'm supposed to be on a diet for the trips we're taking for summer. Yay!
There's cheat days, so hey, it should be fine.
Yeah. When you actually have to lose weight, there's no such thing as cheat day. Not all of us can be slim and fine like he is. The rest of us, we gain weight from smelling bread. Okay? So yeah. So I got this, the German chocolate, a tres leches, which is all the way down at the bottom. Then I got the vanilla ganache along with the tiramisu. So excited. Like I haven't had this in like 4 years. As I said, I'm not like a sugar person, but Marcus is amazing. It's amazing. Okay guys, so we are out of Martha's Vineyard. We got the cupcakes. It's lit. It is lit. Still walking down the street. We're about to go to like the cute part of like Forest Hills where it just looks like mansions and rich people and not New York. So it's very Caucasian. But we're okay with that.
Very Caucasian.
It's very Caucasian. So if you guys ever visit Queens, this is the part of Queens that you come to first.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of like a little bit of like Hogwarts meets Boston. Hogwarts, Harry Potter, with all the brick and stone. It's really, really, really pretty over here. So now we're gonna start walking down to like where the $1 million houses and stuff are. So yeah. And we're back. Jacket on. Perfect. His jacket that he gave to me, it can't fit him, so I don't know why he over here trying to be extra. You told me it couldn't fit you, so I could have it.
I said it can't fit like exact fit.
It can't fit exact. AKA it can't fit you, so you gave it to me. He be making it seem like I just take his stuff, which I do, but I didn't take this one. Okay? Just saying. Ooh, I think I want a picture right here. So yes guys, everybody's house out here has like a deck or a balcony. This person back here has a pool. Like, this is where money gets you in life. This is the New York they don't want us to know about. I'm tight. This one I need to be living.
You see no corner stores around here?
Oh, so that's your criteria for a house? A corner store?
There's a Target store.
But that's your criteria for a house? It has to have a corner store? You are so Brooklyn. You see?
I don't have to drive everywhere I go.
I mean, you could walk your ass 10 blocks. You'll live. He'll be
take my bike. Perfect.
Exactly. You could ride a bike. You see? You see how easy that is? But these Brooklyn men out here. Psh, told you could never survive a weekend in Antigua.
I don't want to.
Wow. Y'all heard that? That's really messed up.
I would not want to be there.
Wow. That's very insulting, actually.
You told me I lose power. Like,
yes, we lose power on a regular. I'm very sorry that America, y'all waste electricity for nothing.
Yeah, I don't fuck with that.
Anyway,
I don't fuck around.
basically, he needs his phone to live. He's not a nature person.
You see me on the phone?
Right now, you're not. But he needs he needs electricity to live. We all know in Antigua that current comes off at least once a day, sometimes twice, and you just deal with it. That's life. Yeah, it'll be off for like an hour or two. We got to turn this way. No, you're not popping the champagne bottle every day. Guys, ignore his commentary. He's American. That's the best I can say. He's American, fully American. That's why.
I'm not fully American. My parents are American.
Never been to any of the places his parents are from, though. Just saying. He's American. Very American. So we're walking back around to go back to the train. Because if we keep walking in these people's neighborhood, firstly, somebody gonna call the cops, like, what black people are walking around here. And secondly, we won't be next to any trains. So we're going back this way. It's so pretty. Oh my God, I just want to live here so badly. Somebody adopt me, please, that lives out here. 82 Forest Drive, please. Please. Okay guys, so took some pictures. General took horrible pictures, so you guys will see some of them.
I'm sounding out like Lord Dean.
Lord Dean, shout out to you. You and Karina, y'all know how to take good pictures. General's not with the shits. Like, he don't want to get on the floor. He not doing the job.
I'm not gonna get on the floor with my nice outfit. What the hell? I'm gonna have to bring like a cape or some shit. Like I'm doing this to put on the floor. Like,
point is, he not getting the pictures I need him to get, and it's hurting my soul. So hopefully I find at least 3 good pictures from the 1,000 we took. We're about to get back on the regular strip for Forest Hills. We're gonna go probably buy some more food to take home, because I really wanted this Jamaican truck that they used to have out here, and I can't remember the name of it, but it's not there on the corner that I left it. So I'm like kind of upset. So yeah, I'm very upset, because I really wanted it. So now I'm gonna have to go home and just eat cake.
Cake. Can't wait.
That's not a meal. I would like a meal. Even though I didn't eat my sandwich.
Give us some new Netflix suggestions, please. We just finished Behind Her Eyes.
Yes, we finally finished Behind Her Eyes. It was really good.
Some Netflix suggestions, please.
Yeah.
Help us out.
We definitely need that. Hulu, put Hulu suggestions, Netflix suggestions, Amazon Prime suggestions. I got it all. I don't have Disney Plus though, because
let us know, please. Let us know. We were supposed to finish that show a while ago, but this one
we wasn't getting along. Put it like that.
Damn.
I didn't want to sit down and watch a show with him.
We wasn't getting along. You was on your own shit. I was like, okay, well, when you get back to your shit, let me know. When you get back to regular.
He was pissing me off. So, yeah. We wasn't getting along, so I didn't want to watch no show with him. So, now that I could stand his presence, we need some more shows to watch. So, yeah. Give some suggestions down below. And if you guys made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so we came into this gem store, and it's not cute. It's like furniture and like glass gems. What are you over there bothering that you shouldn't be touching? Ooh, this is a cute wine stand. Look at this. This is cute. Slowly drift. Oh, my favorite color, green. They have like a whole setup. I like this. I like that a lot. What? I might get like a new holder for like my vases, because I like these. And they have clothes on the other side. If they had shot glasses, I would definitely get like a green shot glass, because I like these a lot. How much is this? Because I'll get this and use it as a shot glass. Oh, $5. You like this?
$5?
Mm-hmm. I feel like I would take shots out of this. How do you feel? A big ass shot. It wouldn't be like I wouldn't fill it up completely. I like this. Ah, if they had one a little bit smaller. $3. I don't need that for anything, but I want it. Y'all ever have that problem where you don't need it for anything, but you just want it because it's pretty? That's what I'm going through right now. Like, I don't need half these stuff, but I want it because it's cute. I'm upset because I want it. I don't have nothing to do with it though, and that sucks. Oh, I could just get stones. Oh, I think I want stones. Ah, damn. I'm tight. Because I want this stuff. I have nothing to do with it. But I don't need them. So I would just be getting
no, trust me, once you get a house, you're gonna want all this shit.
Yes, but I don't like, I don't buy things that I don't have need for. You know that about me. I'm a very functional person.
What do you like?
I like these. Like these over here. And I was gonna get some rocks as well. Like these, like this is like a cute ice cream bowl. Like you get 2 of those. I like the $5 shot glass.
You got the $5 shot glass?
I think I will. So I'm about to buy my $5 glass. So there was a jerk chicken truck that was out the last time I came to Forest Hill, and it's gone. Like it's nowhere to be found. Like I've walked on many corners and it's not here. So your girl's pissed, and we've been walking around for some time and still can't find it. So looks like I'm just gonna have to take the L and go back to Brooklyn without it. Like, even though Brooklyn we have like great jerk chicken and whatever, but I wanted that specific truck because the line was long. Like the line was really, really long, and I feel like whenever the line is long, the food's usually good. The guy was like, it's an hour and a half wait. I said, nah, we ain't got that type of time. But now I'm upset. So I'm about to Google some jerk chicken spots in this neighborhood. So yeah, because I want my jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken, and remember, what's it called? Clark's always better.
The what?
Clark's what it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The truck is better. I'm still gonna look them up though, because I'm tired. Like, I'm really upset. I'm really, really, really mad. So yeah, let's go look that up and figure out what we're doing. If not, we're close to the train anyways, so we might go down the train. But let me Google my jerk chicken. Okay guys, so just got off the bus and we're about to go get my jerk chicken. Not from the same place I've been talking about this whole time, but an hour plus later we got off the truck.
Bean and ass.
We got off the bus an hour plus
all that
later.
cake and she won chicken. Bean.
I haven't eaten any of the cake yet either. I told y'all, I'm not a sweets person. I just like Martha's. I'm gonna eat some of the cake, clearly, obviously, but I want jerk chicken. The Caribbean in me is itching. So we're gonna go to Peppa's. If you guys are from Brooklyn, y'all know what Peppa's is. So
Top smoke shots video on that.
Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the Myers and the lean. That's why I'm over retarded.
but yeah, we're about to go into Peppa's, get me some jerk chicken so I can live my best life, and yeah.